where car people have car meets, car cruises, track days, that kind of thing. 4x4 people have dirt, sand, and desolate islands. So today we're going to be prepping Morgan's Navara so it can handle the dirt, the sand, and the desolate islands. So yes, Morgan has got an upcoming Fraser Island journey, which is a beautiful location here in Queensland in Australia. But before he can go, we've got a couple of nice little modifications that should make his time there that more appealing. So we've got a new front bull bar to be attached on, and a new CB radio so he can talk smack with all of his friends.
So now that we've just taken off these lights here, I'm going to take off the nudge bar next. There's only 4 mounting bits. There's just 2 up here which has a bracket, and then underneath the car as well. So we'll take them off. There is this bracket that goes inside the car that this nudge bar actually mounts to, which I'm pretty sure we have to take that one off as well. But we won't do that until we take off the bumper because it'd just be so difficult to get to it. So yeah, I think this is definitely not an 18, so let's get a 16. So I got the nudge bar off. It's actually surprisingly really light. I can just see that'd crumple so easily if it got in a crash, I reckon. But now we take the bumper off. How you do that, I don't know, but we'll find out, I guess. Alright, so the bumper is finally off after great difficulty. Turns out there's no YouTube channel, no YouTube videos or anything out there on how to actually remove the bumper. So pretty much it's just a couple bolts actually underneath the bumper. There's this little, I don't know if you can see here, this little rod thing that it touches to the side of it. And then it's pretty much straight down. It's easy to access if you take away the grill. But there's these just 2 bolts here and on either side. And pretty much that's about it to take the bumper off. Sounds quite simple, but took us a couple of hours to figure it out. But it's out now, so I'll clean up all these tools and get rid of all these bolts that we won't be using and get the new bull bar on, chuck it on. Actually, I think first we'll probably put the mounting bracket for it first on, and then the bull bar. So it should be hopefully a bit easier than taking off the bumper. So we've got both of these brackets onto the car now. We've got this radiator guide on as well. This is nice and sturdy. Everything's fitting somewhat good. There's no instructions because it is all just second-hand. There's a box of bolts that we don't really know what goes where. So just kind of finding what actually goes into each kind of thing. We could have it horribly wrong, we could have it right. I'm not actually too sure, but I guess we'll just put this bull bar on now, and hopefully it's all good. If we've got it wrong, please let us know. But yeah, onto the bull bar now. So the bull bar is finally on. Man, it took like 4 hours or something like that. It took a lot longer than we thought. There's no instructions online at all. And because it's a second-hand bull bar, we just got the bull bar, we got a box of bolts, and you just kind of had to guess, like, really where everything went. It's all on, super sturdy though, so I think we've got it correct. We've still got a few bolts left over, so hopefully it's nothing important or something that we didn't actually need. But yeah, it's on. We've got the spotties back on as well. And now, I think we get onto the UHF radio, which should be hopefully a little bit simpler. We'll just mount the actual pole here on the antenna. So we'll probably do that first, the antenna, and then we'll just route the wiring around into the cabin. We also got to do the wiring just so I can get some power, and then just mount the walkie-talkie kind of thing. So hopefully it should be kind of easy. But I guess we'll find out. So I've just finished routing the actual antenna wire around. I actually also put it through the bung and also put the power cable through the bung as well. So we'll get to this in a sec, but these are just to go onto the terminals. There are two ways to do it. You can wire it straight to the battery, which means when your car's off, you can actually still use it, or you can, put it into your accessories so it only comes on when your car's on or on accessories. I'm just going to put it on the battery today, just because it's a bit easier. But yeah, so that's done through the firewall and into the cabin bit. Now I think just gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount the actual unit and go from there. Alright, so I've just finished doing the actual wiring as well for the positive and then the negative here. So come on through. Walkie-talkie and Babin. Yeah. So all nice and neat, and yeah, ready to go off-roading.
So the Bullbar is on, making Morgan's Navara look just that little bit more tough, which is kind of ironic because Morgan's one of the least tough looking people there is. The CB radio is now installed. He can talk smack with truck drivers, passers-by, ask for snacks from strangers, and I guess if you got stuck, you can call for help. That's a pretty crucial one as well. But yes, now the car is ready to go, ready to hit the shores of Fraser Island. If you've enjoyed the 4x4 content, it is something a little different than what we've done previously. Let us know below, comment below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. And most importantly, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next Project B video.
Big bumpy.